Welcome to my tarot videos. In this video I will show you a 6-card spread related to a situation. So if you have a certain question and you want to know more about a specific situation, you can use this spread. So you will put the first card in the middle of the table like this. This card indicates the past experience that influenced your life. The next card is going to be put over the first card, and this card indicates the present situation, where you are now. Now the third card will be put under these two cards here, and this indicates the near future. The next card is put here, the fourth card, and this one indicates the future environment. The fifth card will be put here above the first card, and this one indicates what you can hope for, what the likely events will be. And the last, the sixth card, is put here, and it indicates the outcome of the situation. So it is a simple spread, and as you can see, the direction in which you put the cards is this one. In this video I will show you 6-card spread related to luck. So let's begin with the first card. I will put the first card here, and this first card is giving an overview of the luck of the person. The second card will be put here next to the first card, and this card indicates how the luck of the person will affect the person's life. The third card is placed here on the same level with the other two cards, and this third card indicates the area in which the luck may appear. The fourth card is put here on the second row in between the first two cards, and the fourth card tells me what person or what event will enter the life of the person who asks as a result of their luck. The fifth card tells what this luck will do in order to help the person attain their purposes. So how the luck will help the person. And the last card is on the third row at the bottom of the spread, and this card indicates the future outcome of the situation. So this is how you arrange the cards if you want to make a spread related to luck. In this video I will talk to you about a 6-card spread that gives information on a specific situation. So I will take the cards and I will put the first card here. This first card indicates the problem, the root of the question or the concern. The next card will be put here, so a little lower than the first card. And this card indicates what is hidden related to this situation. The third card will be put like this, a bit higher than the first. And this card indicates what will result from the present situation, from the concern. The fourth card, I will put it a bit higher than this one. This card indicates what is visible now of the situation. The next card the fifth card indicates what I have understood from this situation, what I have learned from the situation. And the last card will be put here, so lower on the same level with this second card. And this last card indicates the resolution, how this situation will affect me in the future. So as you can see, this is a 6-card spread that gives information on a specific situation.